Manual shoveling leads to unnecessary physical strain, but selecting the wrong snowblower is a costly mistake. This analysis evaluates 5 elite machines engineered to handle everything from light powder to heavy ice. Watch until the end to discover the definitive solution for your specific winter needs. All product links for current pricing are provided in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Winter mornings are often ruined by the physical strain of manual shoveling. The Snow Joe 24 VSB18 provides a quiet, cordless solution to reclaim time and energy during heavy snowfall. This blower features a compact 18-inch clearing width, ideal for residential walkways and driveways. Its cordless design eliminates the tripping hazards of extension cords, while the integrated LED headlight ensures safe operation during early morning or late-night clearing. Powered by a 48-volt system, the rubber-tipped steel auger processes snow up to 10 inches deep, throwing it 20 feet away. The 180-degree adjustable chute allows for precise snow placement, significantly reducing the time spent on repetitive tasks. Runtime is restricted by battery capacity, which may be insufficient for very large properties without purchasing additional batteries for extended use. This is a highly efficient choice for homeowners seeking an emission-free, lightweight alternative to traditional gas-powered snowblowers. Number 4. Clearing heavy, wet snow from large driveways is an exhausting chore that often leads to physical strain. The PowerSmart 24-inch gas snowblower provides a professional-grade solution to handle the harshest winter storms with minimal effort. This self-propelled, 2-stage machine is built for heavy-duty residential use. It features a rugged frame with 13-inch deep-tread snow tires designed for maximum traction on icy or uneven surfaces, while its wide clearing path reduces the number of passes required. A 208 cubic centimeters Briggs & Stratton engine delivers high torque to throw snow up to 50 feet. The 120V electric start guarantees ignition in sub-zero temperatures, while integrated handle warmers and LED lights allow for comfortable, safe operation during long, dark winter nights. At nearly 150 pounds, the unit requires significant storage space and the regular mechanical maintenance typical of gas-powered machinery. This model is ideal for homeowners with large properties who prioritize raw power and clearing speed over portability and quiet operation. Number 3. Heavy, frozen snow creates a physical barrier that manual tools cannot break. The AMERISUN 212 cubic centimeters gas snowblower provides a powerful, self-propelled solution for clearing large residential areas efficiently. This heavy-duty machine utilizes a 24-inch steel intake and 13-inch high-traction tires to navigate icy terrain. The 142-pound frame provides the necessary weight for stability, while adjustable skid shoes allow for safe operation on both pavement and gravel surfaces. A robust 212 cubic centimeters engine clears 2,400 pounds of snow per minute, throwing it up to 50 feet away. The push-button electric start removes the struggle of cold weather ignition, and dual LED lights enhance safety during early morning or nighttime use. The gas-powered system requires periodic mechanical maintenance and significant storage space compared to smaller electric alternatives. This is the definitive choice for those dealing with deep, wet snow over large residential footprints. Number 2. Heavy snow removal often requires loud, high-maintenance gas engines. The Greenworks 80V snowblower offers a quiet, high-voltage cordless solution for efficient winter property management. This unit features a 22-inch clearing width and an IPX4 weather resistance rating for durability in freezing conditions. Its design emphasizes convenience, utilizing a quick-release aluminum handle that folds down to significantly reduce the storage footprint in a garage. The 80V brushless motor provides the torque needed to clear snow up to 13 inches deep, while dual LED lights ensure safety during nighttime operation. A dual battery port design allows for onboard storage of a spare battery, enabling quick swaps during long clearing sessions. The 180-minute battery recharge time requires users to plan ahead or maintain multiple batteries for clearing larger properties. This is a premium solution for homeowners seeking powerful, emission-free performance within a compatible 80V tool ecosystem. Number 1. Massive snowfalls often lead to physical exhaustion and delayed schedules. The PowerSmart 26-inch gas snowblower provides a high-capacity, self-propelled solution to clear large areas quickly and efficiently. Built with an all-steel housing, frame, and chute, this two-stage machine is engineered for durability in extreme climates. Its 26-inch clearing width and 20-inch intake height are designed to handle deep accumulation on various terrains, including paved driveways and gravel paths. The 208 cubic centimeters Briggs & Stratton engine enables a plowing capacity of 2,700 pounds per minute, throwing snow up to 45 feet. Integrated handle warmers and an electric start ensure operator comfort and reliable ignition in sub-zero temperatures. Additionally, the variable speed drive system allows for effortless navigation through dense, icy layers. The 142-pound steel frame provides excellent stability but requires significant storage space and regular engine maintenance typical of gas-powered machinery. This is a robust choice for property owners facing heavy, wet snow who require maximum clearing speed and high torque performance. Which one should you buy? Here is the breakdown. 4 maximum power and large areas. Number 1, the PowerSmart 26-inch gas blower is the superior choice for heavy, wet snow. Its 2,700 pound per minute plowing capacity and all-steel construction provide the durability needed for massive driveways and extreme climates. For eco-friendly performance and storage, number 2, the Greenworks ADV blower is the ideal selection. It offers the best balance of cordless convenience and high-voltage power with a foldable design that solves storage issues in smaller garages. For heavy-duty residential reliability, number 3, the AMERISUN 212 cubic centimeters is recommended for those dealing with a mix of pavement and gravel. Its steel intake and high-traction tires ensure stability in deep, icy conditions. For comfort during long tasks, number 4, the PowerSmart 24-inch gas blower provides professional-grade torque alongside handle warmers, making it a logical pick for users who spend extended periods clearing large footprints in sub-zero temperatures. For small walkways and light snow, number 5, the Snow Joe 24VX2 is the most efficient choice for managing sidewalks and patios without the noise or maintenance of gas engines. Check the links in the description for the latest pricing on all models. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.